بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome back again. Today we are in page 63. Let's dive into it. So we have the first one here, and they all look beautiful. So please remember, we read two by two. You see these colors and these colors. Read the blacks, then the reds, join them together. Repeat it like 5 times until you feel it's easy. Go to the next one. Do the same thing. Don't be in a hurry. Just get the concept, the rest will be easy. Let's jump into it. Let's start. You are, zero. You are zero. Remember we said when we have wow and hamzas on top of it, we read the hamza and not the wow. You are zero. غيت يباغت يثامر تجا. This is Jim. You see these 2 dots on top here. This is ta. Okay, look at the shape. Don't get confused. Just look at this shape here and look at the dots. Okay, if it's up or down, whatever. تجاهد طيب. Then we have تحاسب تخاطب. Okay, like that. Now repeat the word like 3 times or 5 times or 10 times. ندافع ندافع نذاكر نذاكر نراقب طيب. Let's continue. Then we have يزاول يزاول يسافر يشارك. Okay, so remember we said do not make this long letter here or the long vowel here. Do not make it too long. Okay, يشارك, please no. يشارك, just 2 harakas. Okay, then we have تصافح تضاعف remember this is ta and this is ta. They all come from the same place, but one is light and one is heavy. طيب, this is light, of course. تطالع. Okay, then we have أظاهر أعامل أغادر أغادر. طيب let's continue the last one here. يفارق يفارق. Remember when we have ra with a kasr it's light. يفارق يفارق يفارق. يقاتل تلو يقاتل يقاتل. يكافح 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 يكافح. طيب as we are wrapping up one more time, please just be observant. Look at the words. What is happening to these words? Look like for example the first line, all of them are starting with ya. Look at the second one, all of them are starting with ta. Look at the third line, all of them are starting with noon, and so on and so forth. Just look at here the second last one, it's starting with alif. And look at ya, look at ta, look at ya, all of them here. Please pay attention to that because it's so important. The day we are going to start Arabic classes, it's going to be easier for you. طيب, so we have يؤازر يؤازر يباغت يباغت يثامر يثامر تجاهد تجاهد تحاسب تحاسب تخاطب تخاطب ندافع ندافع نذاكر نذاكر نراقب نراقب. طيب, then we have يزاول يزاول يسافر يسافر يشارك يشارك تصافح تصافح تضاعف تضاعف تطالع تطالع. Remember تا طا تا طا طا تا طا تطالع. أظاهر أظاهر أعامل أعامل أغادر أغادر. Last one here. يفارق يفارق يقاتل يقاتل يكافح يكافح. Inshallah مع السلامة. See you in the next page. I know it's long but just enjoy it. See you in the next page. شكرا. Thank you for watching.